the right moment. This is the right year to hold on to our values. Don't let them disappear. Don't be shy or quiet. Let your voice be heard so loud. Stand up for what you believe. Show them that you're proud, that you are proud.
Well, hi everybody, and welcome to www.teapartycharlie.com. I'm Tea Party Charlie, otherwise known as Charlie Land, the outspoken radio talk show host and news director, and www.teapartycharlie.com, and the new video commentary for you every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. You're listening to my new song, This is the Right Moment, This is the Right Year. It's copyrighted, and it is a big year, and the right moment. So many things going on with Obamacare and embarrassment out there, and the Tea Party people across the nation keeping an eye on all the politicians out there, so you have been warned. We got our eyes on you. Hey, speaking of embarrassment and Obamacare, have you seen his rallies out there? It seems like the tide has changed and everybody suddenly is totally in favor of Obamacare. Have you seen the rallies that he's spoken at? It's amazing. What's that? Oh, that's right. It's fake. It's fake. It looks like everybody's for it, but hey, it's closed to the public. You have to be an Obama supporter or the union or the backers or whatever. The regular American people need not apply to show up at one of his rallies out there. It's just all staged. It's a fake, it's a phony, and that's why I often say that the Obama administration is the most transparent in the history of this great country. And it is the most transparent, and you know why? Because I can see right through every lie he is telling. Just like his Obamacare rallies out there. And he has a chance to go out there and talk to the American people and explain things to the American people and answer questions from the American people, but instead he sets up these big, it's almost like a fundraiser campaign rally where he's just preaching to the choir and it looks so good it's just a commercial for him. Talking about hope, talking about change, and of course to him, hope, anything is possible. Well, as long as someone else is paying for it, and that's us in our wallet paying for it. So that's what hope is. Anything is possible as long as someone else is paying for it. And as far as change to embarrassment is very, very easy. Change means if at first you don't succeed, just change the rules and pass it quickly before anybody can figure out what's going on. And isn't that what embarrassment is trying to do with embarrassment care out there? You better believe it is. So, instead of hope and change, we got embarrassment and old Biden. We got two dopes and no change. That's what we got out there. So his rally's just like a big commercial. Speaking of big commercials, there's going to be a big commercial for YouTube. It's going to be shot this Saturday, March 13th, on the steps of the Capitol building in Olympia, Washington, 10 a.m. Be there with your signs because it's going to be a commercial that's going to be out for our big Tax Day rally and protest, April 15th. On the steps of the Capitol, the North Steps in Olympia on Tax Day, April 15th. And we hope everybody can join us. So, hey, your chance to be part of a commercial on YouTube and become a YouTube sensation overnight. I'll be out there, and a lot of people are going to be out there, and the rally's being put on by all kinds of Tea Party organizations out here. Too many to mention at this point, but we'll have it up and link it in and under our special friends very soon on the website. Let me also turn you on to www.piercecountyteaparty.com. Pierce is spelled P-I-E-R-C-E for you liberals out there that don't know how to spell. www.piercecountyteaparty.com. Carl and Crystal, what a job they're doing. I don't even think they ever sleep. They're always running around doing something, always planning something, got something going. They're going to be there for this commercial that's going out Saturday at 10 a.m. So way to go, Carl and Crystal. They already won one achievement award from Charlie Land here, and they might just win another one before this week or next week is over. So go to www.piercecountyteaparty.com, and just happens to be a link to my website, www.teapartycharlie.com. Other things going on, too. On Saturday, there is another one on the other side of the mountains. It is the Freedom Summit, the Tea Party Leadership Summit in Ellensburg, Washington, Saturday, March 13th from 10 until 3 at the Howell Home Center. Kirby Wilbur is going to be out there. John Carlson is going to be out there. Senator Val Stevens and Representative Bill Hinkle will also be out there talking about common strategy, communication process, cooperation, and coordination, put on by Brick and Becky Loomis. Rick Bauer, no relation to Jack Bauer from 24, and Garrett Lloyd King, all doing an excellent job, all stars out there for this Saturday from 10 to 3 in Ellensburg, Washington, in the middle of this great state, on the other side of the mountains. And we got something else going on, and it's going to be going on Tuesday, and it's a big one too. Democratic Representative Brian Baird. We're going to have a No on Embarrassment Care rally out there on Tuesday between 4 and 6. That's at his Olympia office at 120 Union Ave, Suite 105, and also in Vancouver at 750 Anderson Street, Suite B in Vancouver. Now, be loud, be proud, but be courteous, because he voted no the first time. He's not running for re-election, and he could simply vote no this time. Vote his conscience. But we want to be out there, and we want to remind them out there. So we're going to be out there Tuesday, and that is the 16th, and we'll be out there from 4 to 6 to just remind them and trying to be polite. Hey, you did it once, do it twice. Vote no on Obamacare. And a matter of fact, people will be going out at least to his Olympia office, maybe in Vancouver too, every day between now and Tuesday. Again, that's at 120 Union Avenue, Suite 105 in Olympia, and 750 Anderson Street, Suite B in Vancouver. If you want to just give him a nice email, nice folks, okay? He can be on our side. Send him a nice email. Go to brianbaird.com to the contact section. For you liberals that don't know how to spell, that's BAIRD.com. brianbaird.com. Go to the contact section and urge him on to do the right thing. Real hope and real change. Maybe we can do that, and I hope you can join us out there with Kirby Wilbur and Tom Hann and Dr. Rosenblum, one of the guest speakers, going to be out there Tuesday the 16th in Olympia at Brian Baird's office. Loud, proud, but polite people. Always polite and courteous at these rallies. So we hope you can also show up for the commercial on Saturday morning at 10 a.m. I hope to be meeting everybody out there and make a great YouTube commercial. We can all be YouTube sensations out there as we get our commercial going for the big tax protest rally on Tax Day, Thursday, April 15th, on the north steps of the Capitol building in beautiful Olympia, Washington, our nice state capital. For those of you from all those Tea Parties that have contacted me from across the nation out there, I hope to be able to announce a few of those tomorrow. I keep getting emails and information from all you guys, especially that Fort Lauderdale Tea Party. Wow, they're just animals down there, working so hard down in Florida, but we'll mention them at a later time. Again, if you want to go see my previous episodes, go to the Daily Archive section. If you want to contact me, please do. You can go to the contact section, Special Friends. We have the link section, and of course, coming events, I'll have to update that because of the Brian Baird thing going on Tuesday. And look for me, actually hear me, on internet radio at www.northwestconvergentzone.com. That'll be starting Monday the 15th. Internet radio at its finest right out here in Washington State and across the web, across the world. I'll be out there with Big D, Big Joe, Double D, Wonder Boy, and Squeeze in the man cave. And all hell's going to break loose when I get there. I hope you guys are ready at www.northwestconvergentzone.com, local internet radio at its finest. I hope you can tune in for that. Let's get back to my song. This is the right moment. This is the right year, and it is. It's the right week. I might have to add a verse to that song. It is copyrighted, and I hope to get it out to Sean Hannity. We'll be telling you more about how you can help me get this song out to Sean Hannity. Kirby Wilbur's helping out, too, because he's been on the Sean Hannity show, and again, he'll be one of the speakers out at the Freedom Summit this Saturday. So much going on. www.PierceCountyTeaParty.com. Check it out, too, with Carl and Crystal. All stars, all of them. You all are. You're doing a wonderful job. I'm Charlie Lamb, the outspoken radio talk show host and news director, TeaPartyCharlie.com, with a new video commentary for you every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So keep tuning in and tell everybody about www.TeaPartyCharlie.com. And I hope to see you on Saturday morning at 10 a.m. on the north steps of the Capitol building as we film that YouTube commercial. Enjoy yourselves. I'm Tea Party Charlie. We'll see you again tomorrow. Wow, can I breathe now? Wow. 2 dopes and no change. Anything is possible as long as someone else is going to pay for it. And, hey, change. If at first you don't succeed, just change the
Come on,
rules.
people.
Come on, people.
Hang on to your freedom.
Hang on to your freedom.
And God bless America.
And God bless embarrassment. He needs it more than the rest of us. Good night.